here's a rough rock. Probably take me, I'm gonna say 5 minutes on this one. If you want to see me polish that. Yeah, that's got some good eyes right there, doesn't it? Alright. And go. Alright, I'm about halfway through, so I'll show it to you. So what I did was, I went through the whole rock, and I just got out all the dents and the defects. I got a little bit one right there, but I'm not worried about the shape yet when I'm doing that. I'm just trying to let the rock be the rock. Now I'm gonna go back, give it a nice shape. So that should take me 2-3 minutes. There's that one. Some cool eyes in there right there. I like that side.